Yo guys, I told y'all, I'm gonna come on here every time I hear some type of rumor, some type of, information that could be of an advantage to you guys. And today, we're gonna be seeing some form of a restock. And some are saying a Jordan Reserve, which I'm gonna break down where I got this information from in today's video. So sit back, relax, and let's talk about what we potentially could begin today. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. We come to you guys earlier in the day. Usually we drop an afternoon time frame where everybody's chilling off work. See what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And with time's sake, this is time sensitive, because if the information is correct, I don't want you guys to miss out on this critical information that could help you out with a couple of different pairs I think a lot of people will be eyeing that are on the list currently, man. So shouts out to Nikki B, I think it's 23. I'm gonna tag his Instagram down below. I've been following him for a while, courtesy of Jumperman Chris. Shout out to both of them guys for kind of putting me up on game and seeing stuff that I ain't even seen. I'm in a bunch of Discord groups and stuff like that, and I didn't see anything about this Jordan Reserve. So if this is, going to happen, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see it a little bit before the Jordan Reserve actually kicks off. Because you gotta think, bro, a lot of people probably are sitting on information, they just don't wanna talk about it because Nike can literally switch up things just like that. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you guys run them likes up, especially if you like informational videos like this. It takes 2 seconds to do, man, so go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below, and yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. A couple of pairs I did see Nikki B talking about on his IG. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so for the first one that I feel like, we're gonna be something that everybody's gonna eye, something that's gonna be going quick, and it is these guys right here. You already know what it is, man. We got a Jordan 3 box, and he did say that we shall see the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Now, you guys know, man, I fell in love with the Black Cats ever since the Black Cat 4, and you cannot go wrong with an all black sneaker. You just can't, man. And today, courtesy of Nike on the Nike Sneakers app, there was no set time yet. But you guys know when we do get Jordan Reserves, they let us know a little bit before, it kicks off. It's not like one of those random drops. We at least get 10 to 15 minutes before it happens, and they be sending notifications out to everybody. And I'm pretty sure if you follow a couple different people on Instagram, YouTube, you will know when the Jordan Reserve does go live, man. So keep an eye out for the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Definitely top 10 sneaker pickup for me. And you know what I'm saying? I know it's probably top 5 for a lot of other people, but there is a lot more heat that I've been grabbing this year that kind of edged out the Black Cats, in my opinion. But again, I'm gonna pose that question, you guys. Do you like the Black Cat 3s or the Black Cat 4s more? It don't matter if you're talking about Nike Air Jumpman. Let me know how you feeling about the Black Cats as 3s or is it the 4s? All right, and something that came to my surprise, like seriously, I was literally surprised when I seen this sneaker. I'm like, hold on, I don't know about that one being on there, but it has some validity to it, man, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and check it out. You guys should know what we got right here. This is a Jordan 5 box, and we have no other than the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. And this right here, I said, yo, I don't see how they still have pairs, but again, when you think back onto it, man, Nike never sells out. And I remember back in like 2022 or 2023, when we was getting a bunch of Jordan Reserves and stuff like that, and they had stuff on there, I was surprised myself, like, yo, how do y'all still have pairs? Like, how are there still pairs in the warehouse and stuff like that? But you gotta think, man, it's part of their entire rollout of the year. They already know exactly how many pairs they're gonna keep for Jordan Reserve, for restock, for shot drop. They already know all this coming into the year. It's not like one of those random things that happens. And yes, we will be seeing the Black Metallic 5s potentially on this Jordan Reserve this year, man. Definitely gotta keep the white laces in there, super crispy. 3M Nike Air on the back, 3M tongue, man, white piping. These are literally beautiful, man. I love them, bro. Definitely a top 5 pickup for your boy. And I didn't think that was gonna happen because you guys remember, I was complaining about, them bringing back the flu games too early, but the flu games and the Black Metallics dropped around the same time in 2016, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm up here talking about this is my top 5 pickup of the year. It's kind of crazy, right? But again, you got to think about the durability of a 12. It's just different, bro. The 12s do not break down. They're like indestructible, man. But go ahead and keep an eye out for the Black Metallic Air Jordan 5, man. A couple other sneakers that were on the list that I do not have in my collection here in this house is the Blueberry 12. Now, you guys know how many hoops and, you know, obstacles I went through to get that sneaker. Shouts out to the homie, the Retro Whiz Kid. He sent that final alley-oop, you know what I'm saying? I had to take advantage of it. But we should be seeing the Air Jordan 12 Blueberries on there, along with the Legend Blue 11s. Now, the Legend Blue 11s kind of caught me by surprise, too, because those released, did they release last year? Yeah, they just released last year, but we all the way in April. So I was a little bit, you know, shocked by seeing that sneaker on there. But again, potentially it will happen. And again, Nike never sells out. And then the last sheet I don't have here with me personally is the Black Toe 14s. Now, I don't even remember when the Black Toe 14s came out, but I know I took an L. Actually, those came out like late last year, right? I remember, I did a thumbnail and everything. I took an L, salty, couldn't get them anywhere. Couldn't get them on Foot Locker, Champs, nowhere. Couldn't even get them on sneakers. So that's definitely one that I will be trying to obtain in the collection myself. You guys know I love 14s. My 14 collection is a little deep now. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna definitely do a 14 collection video because I think you should shed some light on some of those lesser silhouettes, if that makes sense. You know, 14s don't get a lot of love. 13s really don't get a lot of love. So I'm gonna do some like small collection videos here and there. So you guys should see that here on the channel very, very soon, man. So keep an eye out for all those sneakers. And there's a couple other that I said could potentially be on there. And one being their biggest flop of the year, the Air Jordan 1 Black Toes. Now this shoe has grown on me, even though I have not worn them. But I did pull them out the other day to compare them with my other sneakers. And I was like, you know what, bro? These are actually not that bad. You know, it's a black toe. And I think it's just more me not looking at the Air Jordan because I really dislike the Air Jordan. But these will be turned into my gym sneakers. This is what has to happen because I paid a lot of money on these and I'm gonna get my money's worth with these guys right here, man. So keep an eye out. Potentially could see it. I'm not saying it will happen or won't happen, but again, this shoe set everywhere. Nobody's really feeling them. And the Black Toe 1s and the Black Toe 14s could potentially be up on that list, man. And I know a shoe probably everybody wants to see on that restock because of the resale value, and it is the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games. Now these things are going for a pretty penny, which I was actually surprised by. I said, you know what? They will sell out, but they're not gonna go for nothing crazy. And guys, I was completely wrong. These are going for a lot of money, surprisingly. I don't know why. But again, I'm gonna stand on my statement. Of course, the Flu Games are top. They're up there. I love them. I gotta give them their respect, but I wish we would've got the suede 12 Flu Games. I hope that we get it, because that's like real reimagined, like me and the homie Retro Whiz Kid was talking about. You give us the suede pair, the sick emoji, the 97, 38 points on the side. That is going to be that's perfect time to drop it because they're doing all of these reimagined sneakers. So hopefully we do see it soon. But of course, man, I still do love the Flu Games. They hold a special place in my heart. I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. But if we see it, we see it. If we don't, hey, don't say I told y'all it's gonna be on there, man. Don't shoot the messenger. Potentially, we could see it because they just released. Yeah, guys, keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled. Usually Jordan Reserves happen midday around 12 to 3 p.m. Eastern. So keep your eyes open and just, check out my IG story. Check out my YouTube, and you should see something from somebody. It's a bunch of sneaker YouTubers, a bunch of people talk about shoes. So don't just rely on me, but just know that it could be happening today, tomorrow, sometime in that time frame, and just stick around for the information from Nike Sneakers app, man. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Subscribe right now to the channel, run the mics up, and comment down below what you're going to be trying to secure in the collection from this Jordan Reserve. We ain't seen one in a while. I don't remember the last Jordan Reserve we seen, but this is the perfect timing because it is a slow month in April, man. But again, appreciate y'all. Love you guys. And what all's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.